Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a video with a card share. I made another card using the Just Add Cake birthday card making kit from Spellbinders, and I wanted to share that with you. I think I'm gonna have like one more video using items from this card kit, and you want to be sure to watch that video because there's gonna be a surprise in it. So let me share with you what I used. I always use some other elements from my stash to help make the card. So for this one, out of the card kit, I used the sentiment Just Add Cake stamp and die. And the sentiments are like, I've shared this on the card that I initially made with the kit, and it has Just Add Cake, happy birthday, a couple of happy birthday, and some sub sentiments. So that, and then the die set excuse me, from Gina Marie Designs. I used these not die set these enamel dots, and this one is the purple trio color. Love these because they're kind of muted and not shiny. From Penny Black, I used this for one of these for the inside sentiment. New to my stash is this Classic Pooh Baby cutting die, and I used one of these on the inside of the card. It's ribbon and trim, super cute. And then from the kit, I also used the die set for the cupcake, and so here's that die set with all the little dies to make this cute cupcake. Made mine a little different, and I'll share with you how I made mine. So here is the card. I think it turned out really cute. I really like it. So my cupcake, I didn't want to put the candles, nor did I want to pick the bowl. I just wanted to put the little cupcake with the cherry on it, which kind of looks like an apple, a little baby apple. But the stem lets you know that, hopefully let you know that it's a cherry. And like, I just kind of didn't use all the florals and all the greenery, and I didn't use the bow that comes with this. So this is just kind of a simpler cupcake that I chose to make, but I think it turned out really cute. And then I'll share the inside, and this is where I used an extra one of those little cherries. And then the inside sentiment is from the Penny Black set. And then down here is where I used the ribbon and trim die set from Spellbinders. So that's the card. Let me know what you think below. And I have one more video using the Just Add Cake birthday card making kit. I have yet to make the card, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you've been along for the ride for a while, I really appreciate it. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.